Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Hong Kong style chow mein. So let's start cooking. We will now prepare the sauce. I have with me over here 80 milliliters of hot water. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon now. If it's not enough or if we want it darker later, we'll just add in a little bit more. Add in also 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Give it a good stir. Once you have mixed it up well, we'll blanch our noodles now. Boil a pot of water. When the water is boiling, we'll add in our dried egg noodles. This is 200 grams of dried egg noodles. Just put it in. We need to cook and soften this. Make sure that the water is boiling, otherwise your noodles will be too mushy. This is a very common breakfast dish in Hong Kong. You can get it at their 7-Eleven also. Very easy to prepare and extremely delicious. Don't overcook the noodles. Once they have loosened up like this, we'll remove them from the boiling water and rinse them with tap water before we proceed to fry them. Now we will put the dish together. Heat up your pan or wok. Add in a little bit of oil. Swirl the oil around. Now we add in our bean sprouts. I have with me over here 220 grams of bean sprouts. I've taken off the head and the tail, or rather the roots. So we just put everything in. Use medium or medium-high heat for this. I want to make the bean sprout taste less raw. That's why I'm cooking them first. Just for a few seconds will be fine. Now we add in 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Fry until you can smell the garlic. Okay, this is done. We'll now add in our noodles. Mix them up a little bit. Okay, let's add in our sauce now. Just pour them in. Look at the beautiful brown color. We want it slightly darker, so I'll be adding in about 1 more tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Toss them or move them around. Oh, smells really, really good. Now we add in our chives, 60 grams of chives. You can always use spring onion if you don't have chives, no problem at all. Actually in Hong Kong they use yellow chives, but in Singapore it's not that easy to get yellow chives, so I'm just using regular green chives. Mix them up really, really well. Add in a few dashes of crushed white pepper. We are almost done. Add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix up well again. This will give this dish an added fragrance. Very, very nice. And if you want, you can add in some sesame seed. This is totally optional, but we love the additional flavor coming from the sesame seed, so we're adding it in. Okay, mix them up well, and it's time to have our lunch. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really good. The first bite reminds me of my trip to Hong Kong. This is really nice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.